Dear student, welcome to BPMP Polytechnic Computer Department. Subject name is MCAD, unit number 3, and my current topic is Android Toast. So objective of today's lectures are, what is Toast? We will see introduction of Toast. Then after we will see how to create a toast and example of toast. So let's start with introduction of Toast. Android Toast can be used to display a notification message for the short period of the time. A toast contain a message to be displayed quickly and disappear after the sometimes. For that, we need to import one package, android.widget.toast. So this is the example of toast message. Now toast class. So what is toast class? We have two ways to define a toast duration, either in a length short or a length long. And we will consider as a length underscore short or length underscore long to display the toast notification for the short or a longer period of a time. So it is known as a constant of a toast class. So length underscore long is used to display for a long period of a time. And length underscore short is used to display message for a short period of a time. Now how to create toast in Android? So first of all, we need to import one package, android.widget.toast. And then after, for creating a toast, we have to use one method, make text method. So make text method will take the three parameters. So first parameter is about context object, is known as an application context object, which will refer current object of a activity. Second parameter is our text message, and third is a duration for the toast message. After that, we can display the toast message by using a show method. So this is a syntax for creating a toast. For that, we are using make text method. So toast is a class name dot method name. Make text is our method name for creating a toast message. And three arguments we are going to pass. First is context object. Second is our text message. And third is a duration. And then after, for displaying toast message into our screen, we are using a show method. So context is why we are using context. Context means it is our application's context object. Here message means it's our custom message. And duration is used to define a duration for the notification to display on the screen. Now example. So here toast is a class name, and this small letter toast is a toast object. Then after, we are using make text method for creating a toast. And here we are passing three arguments. First is get application context object. Simple is our toast message. And third is a length. Toast dot length underscore long. It will show the duration of a toast message. Then after, for displaying toast message, we are using show method. So our object name is small letter toast dot method name show. Now we will see it practically. So open your Eclipse software. Now I'm going to create new Android application project. Here you have to give name of your application, toast example. Next. Select blank activity. Next. Our Java file name is main activity and layout file name is activity underscore main. Now finish. So our Toast example application is created now. Now open your XML file. So this is our XML file. This text view is not needed, so delete it. And now drag and drop one button. Whenever we are clicking on this button, at that time, Toast message will be generated. Now change the text property of a button. Click. And button 1 is a ID for click button. Now open your Java file. So our application is Toast example in SRS folder. Java file is available. So this is our Java file. Here, no need to use of menu, so delete it. Now, in activity file, we are having one button. So we have to find out this view in Java file. So open your Java file and declare button object. So button and object of button is btn. Put the semicolon after that. Now error is indicate you have to import package first. So import Android dot widget dot star. So we can use any widget. Now find out the button using button object. So btn is equal to button, and we are using find view by id method for find out the view. So find view by id method, from where we have to find out the view, from the resource folder. So r dot id dot button 1 is our id. So click on that. Put the semicolon after that. Now, whenever we are clicking on a button, at that time, Toast message will be generated. So we have to click on a button. So for that, we need to create a listener first. So btn dot set on click listener, and here new view dot anonymous method. Put the semicolon after that. Auto generated on click method is there. This is known as a handler. And here we have to create the toast. So for creating the toast T1. T1 is an object of toast. So first of all, import the package of a toast. Import Android dot widget. Already we have choose widget.star. So all the widget by default supported. But if you want to add a specific package for the specific widget, then you can add like this: import android.widget.name of your widget is toast. Now toast T1 is equal to toast dot make text method. Here we are passing three arguments. First is context object. For that we are using one method, get application context method, which will refer current object of a current activity. Here we are passing our message, welcome to PPMP. Now duration, we can pass duration by two ways, length underscore short and length underscore long. So toast dot length underscore long. After that, put the semicolon. For displaying toast message on the screen, we need to add one method, show method. So object name dot show method. Put the semicolon after that. Now save your application and run your activity underscore main file. So our emulator will be generated. Now my application is loaded in emulator. Whenever we are clicking on this button, this toast message is generated. Welcome to PPMP. So this is our output. Thank you.